Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Subhashmita and I'm back with a new topic. So today I'm going to discuss how to decorate a bedroom in a rustic style. So I'm going to talk in detail like what kind of flooring to use, what materials to use, how to choose a bed, what should be the finish, what kind of furniture should you select and what should be the finish of those furniture, and what kind of carpets, rugs, what kind of lighting. So I'm going to discuss everything in detail so you can design your own rustic themed bedroom. So let's check out the video.
So, rustic style is a design emphasis on rugged and natural beauty. It embraces nature inspired textures, simple and earthy colors, and ultimately an unpretentious and organic warmth. Rustic style interior design describes a range of styles with an emphasis on natural and unrefined elements. The most iconic features of rustic decorating are the use of natural materials like wood and stone. Furniture and architectural details are often unfinished and look as though they were bought in from outside with a little alteration. The colors of rustic style decorating are deep and natural with a relaxed and welcoming vibe. So, for the flooring, try to go for wooden flooring or a natural stone like limestone. And try to use a rug made of natural fibers like jute or wool and with a little shabby look. To decorate your walls, go for a stone or wooden cladding. But if you don't want to spend too much for a stone or wooden cladding, just fake it and go for a faux brick, stone, or wood wallpaper. Or you can just cover up a small patch of your wall instead going for the full wall coverage. The next important thing in a bedroom will be a bed and the other furniture. So, how to select the right furniture to go with your rustic decor? Try to stick with natural wooden finishes and, if possible, go with distressed wood finishes that gives your decor a very rustic look. And again, if you want to save a little money, you can go for these kind of options. And the best part is you don't have to give it any polished look. You can just use it as it is, as rustic is an emphasis on natural and unrefined elements. Use the same method to select the side table and the other furniture in the house. You can also use something like this as a nightstand or just as an extra shelf to give you some extra storage. Make sure to select all your furniture in a similar wooden tone and a similar pattern to give it a cohesive look. The next important thing for a bedroom decor is the lighting, and for an authentic rustic look, go for a yellow or warm white lighting. And for the light fixtures, industrial style lighting keeps the look fresh. Try to avoid any polished metal and stick to natural finish of the metals. In short, try to keep all the finishes, be it from wood to metals, as natural and as unrefined as possible to give it a very authentic rustic finish. And last but not the least, make sure to add some plants in your decor, because when we are talking of rugged natural beauty, how can we not include plants? Plants bring in the earthy, natural, organic warmth that we were looking for in the rustic decor. Now let's take a look at the rustic color palettes to give you a little more clearer idea. The colors of rustic style decorating are deep and natural with a relaxed and welcoming vibe. With a lot of natural tones coming in, try to stick with a neutral palette to complement the natural colors like beige, white and grey. And depending on the tone of your wood, you can also play with the shades of the natural colors that you are going for. You can go for lighter or darker shades of the neutral colors depending on the tone of wood that you have selected and the way you want your room to look.
So I think I covered almost everything in detail, but if you still have any further doubts as to any accessories or any other thing, put it down in the comments below. I hope you found it useful and entertaining. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.